video as well. So those who are not here, they will watch it later, inshallah. Those who have watched market structure video, uh, anyone sitting here who watched that video or that session? Because it is related, this video is related to that video as well. Okay, so you will understand easily now how order blocks work, what is order blocks. I will write it here. Topic is our order blocks. Order blocks, there are two types of order blocks: bearish and bullish. This is our topic today, and there are two types of order blocks, as I said, bearish and bullish. Now, how these order blocks work, this then how we can recognize which one is our order block and how we will use it in our trades. This session is about that. So bullish order block and bearish order block. First of all, I'm simply marking two things here. First one is the very basic, very much basic resistance. I will make it 2x. Support, and this is our resistance. I will call it R here. This is support S here, resistance, support. Okay, now I'm drawing a simple price movement here. Then we will see where is order block and how we will recognize that order block and how we will use it. This is simple. Price is moving towards from support towards resistance, resisted here, come back to support, again go up, resistance, again support, and now again tap to resistance. This is simple price action here, like it is moving in a channel. So there are, I said earlier, two types of order blocks. First of all, you should understand where these orders are placed. Order placed at support and resistance. Simply, it is simple. Support and resistance are two basic terms in trading you have to learn in first day of your class. Like when you go to university or school, you have to learn basic ethics of that. They will give you on first lecture. So in trading, when you enter, the support and resistance, first two things you have to learn. So on support, you will find order blocks. This one is, you will find order blocks here, and on resistance you will find order blocks. But the difference will be, on support the order blocks will be of bullish, which I marked blue, and on resistance these order blocks are called bearish, which I marked red. Now this is price is moving simply in channel trading. Support, it is simply we are taking long position on support, exact on uh, resistance. Shorts are open, they are targeting this and again moving like this. Now after this price action, I'm moving towards higher high, higher lows on, like before going towards higher high, higher lows, I will give you a quick example, and let me show you what this is. What is this? Where it is going? Come here. Let me move it. This is support. Suppose price tapped here once, goes to resistance. Now again price is coming towards there. Now from this channel, like price is moving in a channel, how to find these order blocks? For support, you have to watch those candles, like from where this pumped, from which point price pumped first. Like this is our support. First support is this one, and price is moving towards upside from this point. So before that point, before that green candle, the red candle will be your bullish order block. I will explain it to you on charts quickly on here. Let me remove this as well. Like those order blocks which worked, I will show you on lower time frame. Like this, price took support here, okay, and moved straight up. The red candle before this move up is our bullish order block. Simple. Look at this bullish order block. Price came, order filled, up. Price came, again order filled, and still it is going up, up. Again, another bullish order block I will show you on. Let me show you on lower time frames. Let me find something. Be quick, yes. Look at this one. This order block took support here, 2 wicks, and price moved up. So the before moving upward, the red candle is your bullish order block. So look at this one, came here, up, again tested, up, again tested, and still going up. So this is how bullish order block works. Now for bearish order block, you have to wait for resistive area. The area which has more resistance is will be your, you will find bearish order blocks there. Like this one is our bullish order block scenario. Like this is a support zone, and the price pumped from here up towards that level to resistance, and we know that before that pump, the red candle is our bullish order block. So I mark this bullish order block here. Now price when came back to here, we will take our orders, we will limit here. Now how you will set limits, this will also I explain with going within a flow. Like this is our order block here. How did I set my limits? What is my process? Like when I study structure is higher high, higher low, again higher high is make this was order block here, okay, again new high is made, this was order block here, bullish order block, okay, this one I will explain it how I am doing this in a while. So for taking uh, any of trade for bullish momentum for long, you are going for long, you will put limits. Like you have 2 3 confluences, you have make an idea of long, okay, you have watched that market structure video, according to that strategy or according to your own strategy you are looking for long. So for long looking for this is, and you find order block as well. So for order block, place one limit straight above this level, another one below this level. Or, and stop will be always according to system, stop is will be here for this trade, from here this pump, stop should be here. So for placing limit, first will limit will be here, here, second will be here. But the important thing is most of the time limit didn't trigger as well. So for that reason, you can also do like play heavy limits here, like 75% of your position size here and 25% here. Simple, do that like I do as well. So in this case, you get better entries and better exact as well. So this is how bullish order blocks. I will how this is what is bullish order blocks. First was our topic, then we discuss where they found, like or we will get every time on support regions, wherever it is support, the bullish order blocks will be there. How to identify these, quick movement towards upside, before that movement you have red candle, like look at this red candle, bullish order block, look at this red candle, bullish order block, look at this candle, bullish order block. So they work like that. How will enter in these bullish order block? After making your plan. This is not like if you find any order block and you mark that order block and you place limit. No, you have a study to study why you are looking like this is like structure was higher high, higher low, this low to broken, lower low, lower high, again lower low, lower high, lower low. This was bearish order block, still here up, but what happened here? Lower low, lower high. This was higher low, again new higher high. This one created, internal structure shifted. Then on retest of internal structure shiftment, after shipment of internal structure, you have to wait for retest, and we wait for that retest in our order block. So here is our order block. I place limit, I have plan, I have study structure. So I will go with plan, with my plan, stop loss below this wick or this wick. Simple is that, 1% risk, and let it run, all target hits. So bullish order blocks, where they form, we will found on support. How we will take trade from these order blocks? We will place limit like this. So bullish order blocks are done. Now we will move towards our second type. You guys got it what I am trying to say? Please give me a quick answer, please. On chat I'm watching. Yep, it is clear, crystal clear for everyone how we will get order blocks, and like what are bullish order blocks and how we will identify these order blocks. 13 people are watching and replying only one person. Okay, brother. Okay. So I'm moving towards our. Okay, thank you, brother. Now we will move towards bearish order blocks. Simple is, it is inverse. Bearish order blocks are inverse of bullish order blocks. So bearish order block formed on resistance area or supply, we call as, and we will found these order blocks on bearish momentum. For bearish momentum, we find bearish OB at supply or resistive area. Now how they work? Price came here, once price down, like price down from this point. How we will find this order block here? You should find this order block like candle before drop, a green candle. Here we were looking for red candle, here we will look for green candle. The green candle before that price drop is will be your bearish order block. What happened will be like price moved up here, the red candle you have marked, you placed limit like I told you, stop loss according to system, target will be this support, this support. Simple is that. Give me 1 minute, please. Give me 1 minute. I have call to attend. Hello. Sorry. A quick, I have to pick call. Sorry for inconvenience. Yes. So for bearish order blocks, we have the bearish order blocks are placed at supply. Simple is that, there is no need of picking things like doing things really. Uh, Keep it simple. Simple is that. Don't complicate it. So on supply, you will find bearish order blocks. So now we will move towards a real example. On chart we will found our bearish order blocks on daily. Let me check it on daily. Daily, where are order blocks? Search for, actually they, from on this price action like this parabolic, you will not find any bearish order block. These, there are all bullish order blocks. We will try to find in bearish sentiments. Where are bearish sentiments? Here it is. This low broken here. Look at here. This low broken here. So lower low found. This is our bearish order block now. This one will be our bearish order block. Why I mark this one? Because once low is broken down, another thing happened here is sharp down. Sharp down, simple is that this region is all supplies region. This is resistance resistive area. Price go up down, again moved up down. Like we have, look at this one. Before that drop we have green candle is our bearish order block. This one, yes, I will mark this one. Look at this one, just it tapped, filled limits and drop. Same resistance here, supply zone is here, and we have trade plan as well on this one. We marked our before that drop a green candle we marked. Price came here up, down, again came here down, 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 and finally what happened, all TPs hit. So this is how bearish order blocks work. I will show you another example as well. Let me find another one on lower time frame. Let me check it out. Right. Like this one. This area is resistive area here. Look at resistance, resistance, resistance. Internal structure shifted here. Okay, after shifted, after shipment of internal structure price, we have to mark our order blocks. First order block is this one, because from before that drop we have green candle filled here, drop, then we have this one as well, small order block here. First order block limit you have placed, you have missed. Second order you have order block, you have to place limits here, you here. And for this order block fulfillment, like after again pump here, you have stop loss position as well. Look at this one, stop loss above this wick. And for those who place limits here, their stop losses are above those wicks, slightly above those wicks, simply because these are equal highs. I will explain it in any other session what are equal highs and lows. These are simply targets for any trade. So these are bearish order blocks. I have explained bullish order blocks. I have explained bearish order blocks. Anyone, any confusion in this? Now I will explain another third thing is breakers. Mostly effective thing, mostly advanced thing, and how easy to understand as well. So from their bullish order block and bearish order blocks are clear for everyone for now. Give me quick answer. What is the best time frame for this? It is not technique, brother. It's only can you explain internal structure shift? Where is my channel? Let me show you. There it is. Go watch this market structure video. I have explained it really deeply. Yeah, but can you please tell us the order block of the last upward movement so that I can be more clear? Okay, may I will show you. Thanks, will go. Okay. Sir, what is best time from this? Oh, there is no, it is not a technique, brother. These order blocks you have to mark on your chart. Tech, you will add these order blocks in your technique. Like, what is your technique of trading? What is your style? You will add these order blocks on according to your strategy, then it will work. It is not like it's a proper strategy. Like for internal structure or market structure, yeah, for scalping it's effectively used. uh, I have shared a trade here. I have shared 2 3 trades as well. So why I shared, Like I will explain it to you. Look at this one. I have shared link trade here. Look at this one. My strategy is internal structure shifted here. Okay, and trend line also broken down, this one. So I placed my limits on this order block, simple, above on this order block. I want to be a diligent trader, so I placed limits here because NPOC also there. So I thought, why not? It will test that in POC, and this is simply stop loss is above this. Here is first order block, second order block. If these order blocks didn't trigger, then it will not trigger. It will be invalidated. Simply structure will be invalid and stop loss will be hit. Another is APT. Who motherfucker is front running again? Look at this now. Our limit is this one and it is dropping before us. Okay, another is BTC. Where is BTC is going? Let me check it out. Mm, be quick, be quick, be quick, be quick. BTC neither also didn't trigger yet. Look at this one. Why I took this trade? Because price the movement before the internal structure shifted here. Okay, here it is order block. This one bullish order block here. Because what is the definition of bullish order blocks? The price movement towards upside. So before that price movement, you have a red candle will be your order block. So I place simply limit here, stop loss below this wick. If price came down here, structure will be invalid and we will be out. Simple is that. Keep it simple. And those who are looking for internal structure shift or market structure, I have totally explained in depth that on YouTube video. So you guys can watch it there. Now I'm coming back towards my third topic, that is of third thing is breakers. There are two things I have explained. These are bullish order blocks and bearish order blocks. But you guys have a question in your mind that if bullish order block didn't work, then it's a genuine question. No one answer ask. You can take, bro. I have my that is all which one on BTC you are calling, na? You are asking for this order block. Where this one? You are asking for why you didn't take entry here. You can. It is all. First thing is it is mitigated here. Look at this one. They are took orders are taken here. So it, and the second thing was why I didn't took. Look me check it out. No, this thing. Look at on this order block. I have FVG as well. Fair value gap. So I thought, why not to take from here? Because FEG is also matching in my order block area and stop loss is below this level. Why I put stop loss below that level? Because on higher time frame, when I look at on higher time frame, it is in mid range. This is BTC is moving in a range, simple in a range, and I have to wait for, like I was waiting for this order block and I have given that ETH limits 1547 1547 are according to this setup. I didn't put limits here on Bitcoin. It came here, tapped and go and all target hit again. When this target hit, look at this structure, it shifted here on H1 as well. So on H1 here on we have H1 order block here. We have H1 order block straight sitting at mid range. So on mid range, I have structure shifted here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low again. Now this is higher low here. Trend line is there on M15, which is broken here. Internal structure is shifted. Price came here, coming towards our entry. I placed my entry here. I'm targeting this one, and second will be this one. Simple is that. That's why I took on this order block. Now you got the whole idea why this is too much big. How to understand mitigated order block means uh, that order block is used. Like I have this order block here, this one. Look at this is also a bullish order block. Price moved up. Now, how I will check it out that it is mitigated or not? Mitigated means that order block is filled, that is tested. Look at this one, tested here, tested twice, thrice. Three times this order block tested. So that's why that is how you will find mitigated order blocks. Mm. So back to the topic now. Let the trade active. Trade will be active in a minute or two. We will see what happened. Another thing, the third thing is I will take question easily. I'm not going anywhere. Don't worry. I will take one by one all question and I will explain BTC condition as well at the end. So we will take it. The third thing is breakers. Why I did this? Which one? Which chart it was? It was this one. The breakers. Now another thing is we have breakers. In case order block didn't work, like price came in bullish order block, but it went down straight. It didn't respected that order block. Our price goes into bearish order block and it didn't respected that order block as well, and it straight move up. That order block will be turned as breaker. What we will call unfilled. No, unfilled is not a good breaker. Breaker I will now I will explain it to you. Breaker, what is breaker? Those order blocks, failed order blocks, proper definition, if I say it, failed order blocks are called breakers, and they are they effectively work. They are mostly all the time they work. When you have find breaker in your setup according to your plan, they will work 80% of time. 80%, 90% probability of breakers are there. They work mostly. Now I will show you on a higher time frame. Then because the session will be ended as well in a few minutes, I will again restart sessions for BTC analysis for breakers. Now look at this structure here. I will show you few breakers quickly. According to our study, the bullish order block are those order blocks from where price pumped towards upside. Simple, price came here, pumped. Before that pump, the red candle is our bullish order block. So it should came here. It will because we called this as breaker. Okay, people mostly people place limits here because higher high is created as well. So technically you have to be long here, stop loss is below. But what happened here? Price didn't respect it, that order block, and straight goes down. So when it goes down, it turns as breaker. Now whenever price came in this breaker, it will go down. The price came here, look at this, tapped straight down. I will show you another one. This one is not valid. This is because price moved up here. I will show you another one as well. This is a famous breaker here. We got that trade. So that's why I remember this breaker. This one, I will show you another one. Now look at this one. The price, the dumped here, price dumped here. Before that dump, the green candle is our bearish order block. Okay, simple. So price should retraces from here, from this level. Okay, according to definition, according to technical analysis, price should come here because lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It is the lower high region, but what happened? It goes up to this breaker and then dump. Why it didn't dump from order block? Because there is no reason. Market is market, you have to respect that market, you have to be planned as according to market. Yes, if you are shorted here, it rejected few days, it is rejected. Look at these wicks, it rejected first, but when and it after those rejection it got straight into the breakers, price dump. Now this is also a bearish order block, so it is failed bearish order block, it turned as breaker. Now we will extend it here. This is also work as breaker. Look at this breaker. Now price came, dumped, straight dump. The last dump was because of this breaker. So this is how breaker works, and you will find these breakers and order blocks on all kind of what we will say on time frame. It is not necessary you will find it on a daily or h4 h1, you will find it on 3 minute and m1 as well, according to your strategy and according to your plan. So this session was about breakers and order blocks. So hope you guys understand it. Session will be ended in 5 minutes. I will renew it for BTC analysis, and then we will continue our question and answers. Till now you guys have understand. Now look at this order block. Now what is our strategy? We wait for internal structure to be shifted. Okay, so internal structure was like lower low, price was moving in higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, broken here. Okay, this one first bearish order block, second bearish order block. The main bearish order block is sitting at top because price firstly down from here, but we had another as well. So please limit here, stop loss is above bearish order block here. This was target, target is not matched, I think not matched, but mostly trade goes successfully. Again lower low created, now lower low, lower highs are created, structure shifted uh, here properly here. Look at this, properly structure shifted here. First bullish order block here, and the man or bullish order block from where the price actually pumped, this one. Both fully failed. Stop loss is below this wick according to system. Stop loss would be always according to system, not according to your like if you think that the stop loss should be here. No, according to system, always plays according to system. This wick is below because these order blocks, one order block is this one as well, so these order block failed, so your strategy will be and your plan will be invalid. So after this higher high, whole higher low created here, order block failed, target was to be this, yet this target didn't matched yet. So structure is shifted here, again structure shifted here, order blocks tapped here, pumping a bit. So this is how order blocks works. I hope you guys understand this. Give me a quick answer for bearish. Same goes for bearish order direct. Yes, okay. Do you guys understand bullish, bearish, and order blocks, and what we have another thing, breakers. Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. I'm turning off now recording. Let me stop recording.